Why keep patients waiting days for crowns? Meet PioNext Mini, the most compact printer making same-day placement possible. Complete intraoral scanning and digital design. The PioNext box software comes with preloaded resin parameters. No testing or adjustments needed, easy to operate. Remote file transfer. No USB drive required. No leveling. Quick setup. High-speed printing. Streamlined chairside workflow enables quick operation. Use the tools above to clean the crown. Gently remove the surface resin, as the crown is not yet fully cured. The crown is clean when both inner and surface are residue-free and no longer to the touch. Set the curing time and complete the curing process. Then, proceed with grinding and polishing of the crown. After polishing, clean the crown and begin glazing. PioNext Mini, designed for chairside, built for efficiency and precision.